Hey everyone, Ken Wilson here with Sureway Residential Property Management. You know, we manage about 700 homes in New Jersey. I'm standing in front of one of the homes that we manage now, just outside of Princeton. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath colonial. It's probably about 2 acres. There's actually a pool in the back as well. So the backstory here is the owner came to us about a year ago and said, listen, I've got this promotion opportunity. I've got to move to Germany for about 3 years. Can you guys oversee my property? I don't want to sell it. I want to move back here someday. Of course we can do that for you. So we leased the property out to a terrific family. We handle all the bills, all the rent collection, the landscapers, opening and closing the pool. If a maintenance request comes up from the tenant, all interaction goes to us, so we take care of that as well. If you have questions about property management in the area, we manage a lot of single family homes like this, a lot of townhomes. Give me a call at the number below. We'd be happy to help you.